You pour your heart into your YouTube videos. Every frame, every cut, every piece of content is crafted with care and passion. You spend hours filming and editing, perfecting every detail to ensure your message is clear and engaging. But what good is all that effort if nobody clicks on your video? All that hard work can go unnoticed without the right thumbnail. The thumbnail is the first thing people see. It's your video's first impression, and it needs to be compelling. It's what makes them decide to watch or keep scrolling. A great thumbnail can be the difference between a view and a pass. Pikzels.com is here to help. Our platform is designed to make your life easier. Our AI-powered platform makes creating eye-catching thumbnails easier than ever. No more struggling with complicated software. Spend less time designing and more time growing your audience. Focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Think of all the time you waste struggling with design software. Forget about that. Pikzels streamlines the process. Pikzels makes creating professional quality thumbnails fast and fun. You don't need to be a design expert. We provide all the tools you need to make your videos stand out. From templates to custom designs, we've got you covered. Stop losing viewers to bad thumbnails. A great thumbnail can turn a casual browser into a dedicated viewer. Pikzels helps you grab attention and get more clicks. Elevate your YouTube game with stunning thumbnails that draw viewers in. Pikzels is an AI-powered platform designed to help content creators generate engaging YouTube thumbnails and titles quickly. Imagine never having to stress over creating the perfect thumbnail again. Simply upload a photo or provide a link to a thumbnail you admire, and Pikzels AI will craft a similar design tailored to your content. The possibilities are endless. By providing a brief description of your video, Pikzels can ideate and create compelling visuals to enhance your content's appeal. Our AI will suggest the perfect layout, fonts, and colors for your thumbnail. Don't like what you see? No problem. You have the freedom to tweak and adjust until it's just right. Our easy-to-use editor gives you complete control over every detail. Whether you want to change the text, adjust the colors, or add new elements, it's all possible with just a few clicks. Want to put yourself in the thumbnail? Personalize your content and make it stand out. Our face swap feature makes it easy. Swap faces seamlessly and create engaging, eye-catching thumbnails that feature you or anyone else. Just upload a selfie and let our AI do the rest. Need inspiration? We've got you covered. Use our thumbnail recreation tool to get fresh ideas. It's perfect for those moments when you're stuck and need a creative boost. Input a keyword or a competitor's video URL, and Pikzels will generate similar thumbnail ideas. Stay ahead of the competition with unique and compelling designs. Plus, our AI-powered title generator helps you craft clickable titles that attract viewers. With Pikzels, creating stunning thumbnails and engaging titles has never been easier. Soon, you'll be able to generate video titles based on your chosen topic. Imagine the ease of having compelling titles created for you in an instant. This will save you even more time and help you come up with fresh, engaging ideas. But that's not all. We're taking it a step further. We're also working on a feature that generates video titles from your thumbnails. This innovative tool will analyze your thumbnails and suggest the best titles to match. This means you can create a cohesive look and feel for your entire channel with just a few clicks. Your channel will not only be more organized but also more visually appealing. At Pikzels, we're committed to making your life easier. Our goal is to provide you with tools that simplify your workflow and enhance your creativity. We believe in the power of AI to streamline your workflow and help you achieve your YouTube goals. With our advanced AI technology, the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and features. We can't wait to show you what's next. Thank you for being a part of the Pikzels community. Section 4. Who needs Pikzels? Everyone from YouTubers to marketers. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, Pikzels can help you take your channel to the next level. If you're a freelancer who manages YouTube channels for clients, Pikzels can save you time and impress your clients with stunning visuals. And if you're a marketer looking to boost engagement on your YouTube campaigns, Pikzels is the secret weapon you've been waiting for. Pikzels is more than just a thumbnail generator, it's a complete toolkit for YouTube success. We provide everything you need to create high-quality thumbnails, titles, and more. Section 5. Join the future of YouTube. Sign up for Pikzels today. Ready to unlock the power of AI for your YouTube channel? Sign up for Pikzels today with Z Knowledge. For a limited time, we're offering an exclusive discount to new users. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take your channel to the next level. With Pikzels, you can save time and energy, create professional quality thumbnails, get more views and subscribers, and stay ahead of the competition. What are you waiting for? Sign up now and join the Pikzels revolution. Get a yearly plan discount when you sign up from our description.